This is an African tale called Uwungelema. Now there was a famine in the land in Africa, and a famine is when no food can grow because there has not been water for a long time. So there was a famine in the land, and the only crop that was not destroyed by drought was the fruit of a certain large tree. As that fruit grew ripe, all the animals gathered around. Now, this was a magic tree, and the fruit would only drop when someone said the name of the tree out loud. Now, the animals realized with dismay that not one of them remembered the name of the tree. So they decided to send the hare off to see the king to get the name of the tree. And so off he went. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, king, what is the name of the magic tree? The name of the tree is Uwungelema. Oh, okay. So hare ran back quickly. Hoppity, skippity, hoppity, skippity. But when he arrived at the tree, here comes the tree, he could not remember the name. Olanganiwa? Malangabima? No fruit dropped. And so the animals had to send someone else to get the name of the tree. So he went back, skippity, skippity, hoppity, skippity. This time, antelope went. Only in Africa, his name is Eland. So Eland was swift, and he could surely get back before he forgot the name of the tree. So off he went, brum, 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 to go see the king. Now Eland arrived at the king's kraal, which is an African village, and he asked, "What is the name of the magic tree?" "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." Oh, okay. So swiftly, the Eland darted back, but he twisted his foot. Oh, ow, ow, and the surprise made him forget the name. So when he arrived at the tree, he said, "Uwela, wela." Nothing happened. Oolonga wonga. But nothing happened. Now by this time, the animals were really, really hungry, and they were desperate. If their two fastest runners could not bring back the name of the tree, who could? Just then, the tortoise, the slow tortoise, said, "I would like to try." And the hare said, "Oh, I don't think we can wait that long." "You will have to." And so he set off on his journey, which lasted 2 days and 2 nights, and Tortoise never slept. Now when Tortoise arrived at the kraal of the king, he asked, "What is the name of the tree?" "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." Well, Tortoise asked again, "What is the name of the tree?" "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." And a third time, Tortoise asked again, "What is the name of the tree?" And the king repeated, "The name of the tree is Uwungelema." Now, all the way back, the tortoise repeated the name of the tree. Uwungelema, 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 Uwungelema. When he stepped on a thorn, he did not stop saying Uwungelema, Uwungelema. When a horsefly came and bit him, ouch, he did not stop saying, Uwungelema. When a branch fell on him, bonk, he did not stop saying, Uwungelema. And when he reached the tree, here he comes, when he reached the tree, he said, Uwungelema, loud and clear. And you know what? The fruits dropped off the tree, boink, boink, and all the animals gathered round one by one, and there was enough fruit to keep them through the time of the famine, thanks to the tortoise. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The end.